Hey everyone, see? I'm gonna actually bite into it. It's avocado, tomato, chicken, and onions. Okay, this is how it's gonna go down. It's good.
Universal's Halloween Horror Nights kicking off its 28th season. Plus, an out-of-this-world announcement from SpaceX. The trip's one-sided passenger...
You can actually eat it just like a sandwich. You don't even have to have the bread. The avocado is your bread.
One piece of chicken?
Wait a minute. No, you have your chicken there. Wait a minute.
I only got one. I had a second.
Carmen, calm down. I'm on video, please. So I'm trying to explain to everybody here. It's avocado as your bun, your hamburger bun type, your chicken, your tomato, your onions. Fantastic. You guys gotta try it. You gotta make it. I just made it for my mother and I made it for myself.
There's no more chicken, Where is it?
Spam. Don't knock it until you fry it.
Well, I hope everyone has a beautiful, positive day. Enjoy your Friday. And happy weekend, everyone. Bye.
Politicians who make promises they
Where's
never
that chicken?
keep. Just didn't get